At Maruti Suzuki, the customer is at the heart of everything we do. After all, our customers are our family. The objective is to give our customers a unique and delightful experience. With the changing business landscape where everything is available at the snap of the fingers, today it is important to reach the customer instead of customers approaching us. And to achieve that objective, we at Maruti Suzuki believe in the philosophy of moving closer to the customer. Be it the new age tech-savvy urban customer who's pushed for time, or the rural customer for whom distance is a consideration, Maruti Suzuki makes no compromises to service both. Introducing Service on Wheels, a first-of-its-kind mobile workshop for Maruti Suzuki customers. The Service on Wheels brings alive the trademark Maruti Suzuki workmanship, which is known for its quality service. Manned by a technician and a service advisor, the Service on Wheels is a full-fledged workshop coming to your doorstep. It is built on Super Carry platform with all the tools and equipment required to service your vehicle. What makes Service on Wheels unique? It not just provides a handful of services, but everything that a brick-and-mortar service station provides. It comes loaded with a hydraulic scissor lift. Yes, the Service on Wheels is fully loaded and will service your vehicle as good as the workshop. It also carries all the necessary spare parts required for servicing your vehicle. Not just that, the Service on Wheels is equipped to give your car a perfect wash and is also capable of wheel balancing. So, Maruti Suzuki customers can now sit back and relax as their cars get serviced right at their doorsteps. After all, at Maruti Suzuki, it is our constant endeavor to keep customer convenience as our foremost priority. Maruti Suzuki Service on Wheels. Wherever you go, you find me.